Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to go about resolving the Windows update error code 0x80070002. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings. Open it guys. Go to other troubleshooters and click on Windows update troubleshooter. Run it guys. You have to restart the computer and try running Windows update again guys. Pending system charges requires reboot has been detected. Want to reboot it? That's the problem detected. Check for pending restart and for Windows update issue. Close out of here. Let's go to File Explorer. Open it guys. Go to this PC. Go to your main disk guys. I am having local disk C. Go to Windows and you want to search for software distribution folder. Double click on it and you want to delete this all files guys. Delete it. If you can't uninstall these guys, skip it and follow me guys. Let's do uninstall this. Minimize this and go to search menu and type services. Open it. Go to background intelligent service. Double click on it. You want to stop this. Click OK and you want to go to Windows update. Click type W in keyboard. Windows update. Double click on it. You want to stop it for a few minutes and OK. You want to minimize this and you want to go to folder again and delete this file guys. Now this file will delete guys. After empty folder, go to services again and double click on it and you want to start it again guys and click OK. You want to start it background intelligence also transfer service. Double click on it and start it. No, I want to click here automatic and want to start it. Click OK. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you. Thanks for watching my video.